Today we are here about this ice maker, Brema Ice Maker. There is problem. There's not enough ice, so there is some blockage because of this lot of coffee in there. So let's clean it, and it will be good. I hope so. Because sometimes this condensing unit sometimes is blockage with this coffee and some dust or some rubbish. So we have to clean it well. Then it will be work good, no problem. This trouble should just. Sometimes it's not enough make ice. Sometimes also there are a lot of dust coming from outside. This last 6 months we did no one make service. So let's check it and clean it well. Keep watching. There's sometimes this if fan motor will be damaged if not proper cleaning. This one fan motor always damaged about this. This customer is very lucky. Before they damage their fan motor or compressor, they call the service. Let's clean it well and let me check. A lot of dust. Remember, when your ice maker didn't make enough ice, maybe very slow and take time. It's maximum 40 minutes. If you see the more than 40 to 45 minutes, it will be problem with this. Or if not, there is otherwise this problem. Let me check that timer and thermostat also. Sometime, not always, but mostly problem with this condensing unit coming block. Very nice clean. Let's test it and switch on. It's working good, no problem. I hope so. If you say this video will help you, please subscribe and please comment and like. If you